Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing of this 70 Mai. I believe the model number on this is ps06. It's a 1000 amp power bank portable jump starter emergency kit. I got this today. I got this for a pretty good deal. That's why I'm sharing it. I'm not doing a review, it's just completely unboxing. If anyone is interested in purchasing something like this, I'm just going to show you what you get. Apparently this is a newer model and it's supposed to be better. Since it's 70 Mai, it's also made by Xiaomi. If you guys are familiar, they make phones and all sorts of things. So it's a lithium ion battery. Oh, sorry guys, just knocked my camera over for a second. Just recenter it. And so I just cut the tape open just for earlier. I haven't really looked at it. So that's the contents on the bottom. It's all in Chinese. Let's see how it goes. Usually the Xiaomi brand tends to make better quality products out of the Chinese products. So that's why I went with this brand. I got it for $40. It was on sale. Normally it goes for $80. A lot of those Noco brand portable chargers, portable jump starters tend to go for a pretty higher price. Anyway, so that's that. So it's just like this in the box. Comes with a case. This thing is pretty heavy. I don't have a scale or anything to tell you what the weight is, but it is pretty heavy. It looks just like this. And I guess you can put your cables there. It's got an emergency light, USB charger, and I guess that's a USB-C. I'm guessing that's the input. I can't really see it. And you have a DC out here for 12 volts. Let's see what else is in here. It's still pretty heavy, that's why. So you get a USB-C cable. I'm assuming you can use it both ways to charge. You get instruction manual and a divider for the two. So this is the instruction manual. Looks like it's all in Chinese. Oh no, there's some English instructions here. Basically it tells you how to charge. Nothing really that special here. Pretty straightforward. And this is the booster cable here. So apparently, from my understanding, I was looking at somebody else's instruction on the review. When I purchased this item, you need to, and there was a lot of complaints saying that it doesn't work. So in order for this thing to work, you plug it in and it will give you your voltage here, but there's a switch here that you have to press in order for it to work. There, now it's ready to be boosted. So I'm gonna unplug it. The cables itself looks, they're quite tight. Get a good grip. The wiring looks pretty decent. There's a crimp there, and I'm guessing there's a crimp there. It's on spring-loaded clamp. So yeah, it looks pretty good. And then it's got a reverse polarity protection, so it would light up red if you did light it up or put it in the wrong way. And so it comes with a power button there, and I'm guessing there it goes. Holding it down turns on the light, and it comes with a cigarette adapter. So I guess that's it. So if you wanted to do a DC 12 volt out, you could do it through this. So that's good too. You could use it as a memory saving pack if you're changing batteries or something like that. So this is actually a pretty good item, or I think it's a pretty good item. This is not a review video. I haven't tested it out, so I don't know what the quality is of this. But from the reviews online, it claims that it's a very good quality jump starter. Like I said, I got this for $40. It typically goes for about $80. So if you guys are interested in something like this, I'll put a link in the description. Normally I don't, because I want people to get the best deal, but I haven't seen this thing for any cheaper. So but I would recommend that if you are looking to buy this, wait for the next sale. That'll probably be sometime, I don't know, maybe in September or something like that. But anyways, I'll put a link in the description, so if you guys are interested in picking something like this up, you can take a look at it. And so that's pretty much it. That's the end of the video. If you guys like this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.